Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share a few key habits that help me stop overthinking and allow me to create loose, beautiful landscape painting with acrylics. Secret number 1. Use a big brush. When I want to paint loosely, I put down those tiny detail brushes. Using a big brush forces me to focus on large, bold shapes. Instead of getting stuck trying to paint every single leaf or blade of grass. Secret number 2. Trust your strokes. Loose painting is all about being brave. I lay my paint down in one sweep and then I leave it alone. I try to avoid going back over the same spot again and again. Fresh, single brush strokes keep painting lively and full of energy. Secret number 3. Simplify into big darks and lights. I don't worry about drawing everything I see in my reference photo. Instead, I group my scene into simple value masses. I block in my deep dark shadows first, then sweep in my sunlit areas. I use soft edges to let the light breathe, and hard edges to guide the eye. When my values are strong, my painting instantly feels three-dimensional. Secret number 4. Keep it simple. Less detail is more. I don't need to paint all trunks to show a forest. Just a few small, broken marks. Loose painting isn't about rushing. It's about painting with confidence, trusting my big shapes, and letting the paint tell the story. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you have any questions or suggestions, please share them with me in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. See you in the next video and happy painting!